In this video, I'll show you how to log in to Docusign Clm step by step so you can access your agreement workflows and documents without confusion. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official Docusign website, then click the login button in the top right corner. Enter your registered email address and password carefully, making sure there are no typos since passwords are case sensitive. If you can't remember your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it securely. After entering your details, click Login, and you'll be redirected to your Docusign Clm dashboard, where you can manage contracts, track agreements, and handle approvals. Always ensure you're logging in from the correct account with proper access permissions. For security, avoid using public devices or remember to log out after use. Subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.